Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simple Life of Jolene. If you're new here, welcome to the Simple Fam. So today I'm gonna be doing a video and I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different, and I'm gonna be cleaning out this hot mess of a closet. Yes, I know a lot of us have a closet looking like this where we hid in the corner and we try to forget about it, but this is my linen closet that has all of my linen, like towels, sheets, what should I say, bathroom stuff and everything. It's been like crazy mess. My mom came here a couple years ago and she organized it for me and it looks so neat, but during over those times, you know, having kids, it's like a hot mess again. So today I am gonna be cleaning out my closet, and I will be using some baskets which I have a long time ago from cleaning out my closet. So I have basket left over, and I DIY this actually basket that I really like. So it was, you still can see the color a little bit. It's like this color here at the bottom. So I sprayed it to give it a little bit of a enhance, just to make it look a little bit more nicer. The paint ran out, so I got pretty much this, but I kind of like how it turned out, so I'm not gonna really bother to buy a next paint to paint it some spray, I should say, spray some more. So anyways, with all that chatting, and you guys see what I'm doing, let's get into this crazy video and clean up this hot mess of a closet and see where we can transform it from this. Let me take you guys closer so I can show you. See, it has all of the stuff there, all the way down to here. So it's a whole lot of mess going on right now. So I am gonna turn that from this to this. If you guys want to see it, keep on watching and let's get into it. Okay guys, so that's it for me organizing my closet, so you guys can see how it was before. This is how it looked, and this is it now. A lot more better. It looks more organized. Now I know where the stuff is. The only thing left for me to do is I have to put some sticker on here, like I'll know this is for like travel blankets, or you know, mini blankets, and I'll know this is the sheets. I will know this is like the, what do you call it, the pillowcase, the hand, like the hand towel, and I will know those are the bath towel. These ones down here are the beach towels. So if I'm going to the beach, all I have to do is just grab one and I can go. So it looks more organized, looks so much better, looks so much put together. So this is just a simple idea. I just put the flowers in there for a little finishing touch so you guys can see how it looks. So I gotta say, I'm much more happier with the whole turnout of how it looks. I think it looks much more organized, looks more put together. It's not perfect, but it's perfect in the sense for me. So, and now I get to throw a lot of the other stuff, because I have some baby blanket from when my son was a baby, from when I passed on to my daughter, and now my daughter is bigger, so we don't need those towels. So I'm going to donate it because they're still kind of like new. So I'm going to donate it to a family who, you know, in need and needs some towel, can't afford it. So that's a good thing. I'm giving back while I am cleaning up. So yeah, so this is it. As I said, pretty organized. Let me get the camera so you guys can see. But I want to say thank you guys for checking out my video. Hope you guys like this video. And yeah, and you know, this inspired. If you guys want to do this look, I got these basket donkey years ago. This is actually from when I clean up my closet from Home Depot. But if you want the basket to organize it, Home Depot get it, or you can go on Amazon and do the basket. This basket was actually somebody throwing it out, and I actually said, hey, let me DIY it, save me some money. And there you go, look at that now, beautiful closet. So that is it. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.